What's up guys, and welcome to this video. So into this video we're going to be doing something different, as you can tell from the title. So into this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. So the first thing I want to do, I want you to go to your browser, whatever browser you're using. If you're using a Chrome browser or if you're using a Firefox browser, just head over to your browser. The first thing we're going to do, we will have to download the MetaMask wallet, right? So if you already have the MetaMask wallet, I'm going to show you how you can download the MetaMask wallet and how you can add Binance Smart Chain, because we're going to be creating a cryptocurrency using the Binance Smart Chain blockchain network. Okay, so I want you to type MetaMask. I want you to type MetaMask. Okay, extension. So if you are using Chrome, just add Chrome. If you are using Mozilla Firefox, just add Firefox, right? So in this case, I'm using Firefox. So let me just add Firefox. Okay, so I want you to click on the first link. Okay, so first and foremost, what I want you to do, I want you to download the MetaMask Chrome extension or Firefox extension, depending on the browser you're using. So once you have done that, I want you to download it and add it to your browser. Then once you've added it, to ask you to sign in or log in. Okay, so if you don't have an account already, just log in, copy your seed first, keep it in a very safe place. Once that is done, the next thing I want to do now, I want us to add Binance Smart Chain, okay, because MetaMask was built for a Ethereum network, right? So what we're going to do now, we're going to add the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask, okay? If you have a question, let me know in the comment section. As you can see, I already done my bar. I'm going to show you guys how to add the Binance Smart Chain in this video. So once you have downloaded and you have set up your MetaMask, I want you to click on this drop down in the midnight. Then you come to add network, right? So I already have a video on how to add Binance Smart Chain. I already have a detailed blog. Okay, so just head over to Converti. Okay, so just head over to Converti. Then we're going to look for how to add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. So we're going to look for this. Okay, so here there's a video and it's a detailed guide on how you can add Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. So this is what we're looking for. Okay, so we're going to copy the name, right? We're going to copy the name. So we're going to paste the name. We're going to add Binance here. Okay. Then we're going to copy the RPC URL, which is this. Just copy it. We're going to paste it here. As you can see, I'm getting this error that this URL is already used by the Binance Smart Chain network. Okay, but in your own case, you will not have this error because I already added the Binance Smart Chain, right? So let's just continue. The chain ID is 56, symbol is BNB. Okay, so 56. The symbol is BNB. Okay, then the last but not the least. Okay, so we head back to the block explorer URL. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go back to MetaMask and we're going to paste it. So once you're done, I want you to click on save. You understand? Once you click on save, the Binance Smart Chain network will basically be added to if you have a question, let me know in the comment section. MetaMask wallet. So let's just switch on it now. Let's go to buy. So with this, we can now receive BNB, because it's BNB we're going to use to deploy our contract on the Binance Smart Chain network, right? So once we select save, automatically we're going to add the Binance Smart Chain to our MetaMask wallet. Then we can now receive and send BNB. Okay, so now we're going to go to the Binance Smart Chain, right? So let's head over to our MetaMask wallet. So this is my MetaMask wallet. As you can see now, I have the Ethereum mainnet and I also have the Binance Smart Chain. So we're going to select the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, it's saying connecting to wallet. We're going to click on buy. So we're just going to skip this. We're going to scroll down to the account, right? So this is my Binance Smart Chain wallet. So I'm going to copy this address and I'm going to send some BNB to this address, right? So I'm going to go to my Binance account and I'm going to send some BNB to this address. So once that is done, your BNB is going to appear here. So you may be wondering, why am I showing you how to add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet? Well, for some of us who just want to receive and send BNB, this can be a very good option. But the reason why I'm showing you how to add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet, because of the video following this video, we're going to be deploying our very own token, our very own coin on the Binance Smart Chain network, and we're going to be making use of the MetaMask wallet Chrome or Firefox extension. Okay, so guys, like this video, share this video, subscribe. In order for us to do that, we're going to use a source code. So here I already have a very simple source code. So if you want this source code for free, head over to converted.com/coin. Okay, so you're going to be directed to this page. Just scroll down, go to the free section, select the free section, then you're going to be directed to me. Just let me know you want a source code to test run, you want a source code to try, you want a source code to create your own token. Okay, so just let me know and I'm going to give you the source code for free. But if you want to go ahead and purchase a source code that is more secure and have more functionalities, okay, so you can just purchase any one of these. You're going to get a more secured source code, and you're going to get a source code that has more functionality like burning, minting, so on and so forth. Okay, so head over to converted.com/coin. Okay, if you have a question, let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, so if you want to create a cryptocurrency, if you want to create your own token, if you want to have your own coin, you want to create your own exchange, just head over to converted.com/coin. You're going to be redirected to my landing page. Just scroll down, select the free option, then you're going to be redirected to my WhatsApp. So just let me know what you want to create. Okay, so I'm going to help you. We're going to help you work on your project, create your project, promote your project. Alright guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give this video a thumbs down, but let me know the reason in the comment section below.